Welcome to Hari Chemistry. So today topic we will discuss the construction of heteronuclear diatomic molecules. The previous session already we finished the construction of molecular orbital energy level diagrams of homonuclear diatomic molecules. Okay, right here in this session we will finish heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Okay, right. So what is heteronuclear diatomic molecules? We will focus first. So heteronuclear diatomic molecules means nothing but the diatomic molecules of two different atoms. The diatomic molecules of two different atoms are called as heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Clear, student? So what is heteronuclear diatomic molecule? So the diatomic molecules of two different atoms are called heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Heteronuclear diatomic molecule. So in this heteronuclear diatomic molecules, so we have few examples, that is CO, construction of molecular orbital energy level diagram. So here carbon atom and oxygen atom. So two different atoms are overlapping. Okay. So then mixing of sp orbital, mixing of pp orbital, two different p orbital and different another p orbital, and so NO, Cn minus, NO plus, HF. So we will discuss CO molecule, the construction of CO molecule, the construction of NO, and the construction of Cn minus, construction of NO plus, and construction of NO HF we will discuss. Okay. So here you can see, student, so this is the energy level diagrams. Okay, clear? So I have not mentioned the electrons in the energy level orbital. So just only I have drawn the what is the figure of this molecular orbital energy level diagram. So this is 1s, so this is 1s, so this is also 1s, then 2s, here it is 2p, here it is 2p, and here it is 2s, 1s. Okay. So the combining of this 1s, we will get the sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. The combining of 2s, we will get sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. So the combining of 2p and 2p, so we will get so we have two already we know. So we have two rules. One is up to 14 electron system and one below 14 electron system. So we will discuss. Okay, right. So here you can see what is the difference between these two atomic orbital. For example, so we will take an example of CO molecule. So we will take the CO molecule, that means construction of molecular orbital energy level diagram of CO. Okay. So CO means nothing but, students, so we know very well. So carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Clear, right? So what is oxygen? Oxygen electronic configuration. Oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay, right? So the valency electrons is 4, valency electron 6. So here it is a 10 electron system. So comparatively valency electrons, but here it is a 14 electron system. If you consider valency, it is a 10 electron system. So considering valency, so that is a 10 electron system. So you are considering core electrons, here it becomes a 14 electron system. Okay. So the combining or overlapping of two different atomic orbitals, we will get heteronuclear molecular orbitals. Okay, right. Here, so the energy of two atoms are showing in different energy level. So remember, student, so what is the element which is having lower electronegativity? So the element has a higher energy. Okay, so means electronegativity of carbon atom is 2.5. Electronegativity of carbon atom is 2.5. The electronegativity of oxygen atom is 3.5. Okay, so the electronegativity of carbon atom is less than the compared to the oxygen atom. So due to this less electronegativity, so the energy of carbon atom. So here you can see the energy difference is like this. So this is carbon atom. So carbon atom has low electronegativity. So that's why energy is more than compared to the oxygen atom. So here, so don't show the same manner. So means don't show the energies are in equal. So here some two different atoms are there. So therefore you can show the change in the difference energies of two atoms. That is very important. So this is the carbon atom and this is oxygen atom. Carbon atom and oxygen atom, the combining of these two, so here we will get a heteronuclear diatomic molecule of CO. Clear, student? Okay. So here the energy order we know very well. So here it is a 14 electron system, that is sigma 1s2 comma sigma star 1s2 comma sigma 2s2, sigma 2s2 comma sigma star 2s2. Then the electrons enter into the pi 2py. So pi 2py and pi 2pz. So comma sigma 2px. Okay, so here it is a 14 electron system. So 2 electrons of py pz orbital and 2 electrons in sigma 2px orbital. So here you can count 2 plus 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. So here it is a 14 electron system. Okay, so we will fill the electrons into this orbital. Okay, so 1s orbital with 2 electron. Here this is oxygen atom, 2 electron. The combining, so we will get sigma 1s2. So this is sigma 1s2 and the 2 more electrons placed into the higher energy level, that is sigma star 1s2. Okay, right. So the combining of carbon atom of 2s 2 electron and oxygen atom 2s electrons overlapping. So we will get sigma 2s2 and sigma star 2s2. Okay, in carbon atom we have only 2 electrons, one 2p electron, but in the case of oxygen atom we have 4 2p electrons, 1 2 3 4. So the 6 electrons are combined or overlap, or 2p orbitals of carbon atom, 2p orbitals of oxygen atom combine or overlap. So here, so the electrons are enter into the 2p level, so that is pi 2py. Here you can see that is the 2 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6. The 6 electrons are placed into the bonding molecular orbital energy level, that is pi 2py2 pi 2pz2, and this is sigma 2px2, pi 2py2 pi 2pz2, then sigma 2px2. So there is no electrons in pi star 2py and pi star 2pz, then sigma star 2px. Okay, so this is the molecular orbital energy level diagram of CO molecule. Okay, so then we will calculate what is the bond order. So bond order is equal to, we know very well, so that is bond order is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 10 minus 4. So the 10 bonding electrons and 4 anti-bonding electrons. So therefore 1 by 2 into 10 minus 4 means nothing but, student, 6. That is equal to 3. So the bond order of CO molecule is clear, student. So bond length is equal to 1.128 angstrom. So bond length is equal to 1.128 angstrom. And we will move the magnetic property. So magnetic property. So magnetic property, already the previous sessions already we discussed. So please focus on the highest molecular orbital picture. So here this is the highest molecular orbital, that is sigma 2px2. So this molecular orbital has a completely filled electron. So completely filled electrons means nothing but the electronic repulsions is possible with the external magnetic field. So therefore, so this molecule exhibit diamagnetic in nature. So this is the construction of CO molecular orbital energy level diagram. Clear, student? Right. So this is one of the example of heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Clear. So we will move to the same isoelectronic configuration of another atom. We will see the same electronic configuration of another atom. That is student example is Cn minus, Cn minus, cyanide ion. So cyanide ion and NO plus also, NO plus. So CO, NO plus and Cn minus. So all these example has it, all these examples are 14 electron system. So these CO is isoelectronic with NO plus and isoelectronic with Cn minus. Clear? So all these three molecules, all these three heterodiatomic molecule possess 14 electron system. Okay, right. So there is no need to change in the orbital energy level diagram, student. So because all these molecules are comes under so 14 electron system only. So but here we should change the molecular orbital, means which we would like to change the atom. That is here it is nitrogen atom. So 1s2, here 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 carbon atom. But here so this is Cn minus, student. So Cn minus means nothing but so one electron is gaining. So carbon is 6, student. The carbon atomic number 6 and nitrogen atomic number 7. So nitrogen atomic number 7, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. But here so it getting one electron from the donor side. So therefore so 6 plus 7 13. So plus 6 plus 7 13 and 1 electron. So that is equal to 14 electrons. So means it is a negative charge. Okay. So here it is a 14 electron system. So what we are doing? So here I will write 2p4. So Cn minus. So 2p4. So 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. So it becomes, it is a 14 electron system. Okay, clear, student. So the same molecular orbital energy level. So sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p by 2, pi 2p z2 and sigma 2p x2. The energy order is same. Okay, so the bond order, so means isoelectronic means nothing but the bond order is also same. That is 1 by 2 into 10 minus. So 10 electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital minus 10 electrons in bonding molecular orbital and 4 electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So the bond order is 3. So Cn minus molecule bond order is 3. Okay, so magnetic property we know very well, student. Already, so the magnetic property, so this is already CO molecule exhibiting the diamagnetic property. So same Cn minus molecule exhibiting diamagnetic property. This molecule also exhibit diamagnetic property. Diamagnetic property. Okay. This is Cn minus molecule, student. So this is the heteronuclear diatomic molecule of Cn minus. Okay, right. So this is Cn minus. Okay, so Cn molecular orbital energy level diagram of Cn minus molecule. Molecular orbital energy level diagram of Cn minus molecule. Clear, right? So then we will move to the third example, that is means isoelectronic configuration, that is NO plus, student. So this is NO plus molecule, the molecular orbital energy level diagram of NO plus, student. So nitrogen we know very well. So nitrogen atomic number 7. So that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Oxygen atomic number 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So this system is, it is a 15 electron system. Here it is a 15 electron system. NO molecule is a 15 electron system, but here it is losing 1 electron. So therefore, so 15 electron minus 1 electron. So that is equal to 14 electron system. It is a 14 electron system, student. Clear, right? So therefore here, so the configuration is becomes, so configuration becomes 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So the nitrogen configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here also 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So means 7 plus 7, that is equal to 14 electron system, student. So here I will change some data so of this example. So that is here it is nitrogen atom, it is oxygen atom. Okay, so this is NO plus molecule, student. NO plus molecule, it is 14 electron system. The energy order should be same. Okay, right. So 1s2, 2s2. So this is 2p3, student. So 2p3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So here also 2p3 because oxygen atom is losing 1 electron from its state. Okay, so therefore here, so sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2 and pi 2py2 and pi 2pz2. The 2 electrons are enter into the sigma 2px of highest bonding molecular orbital. Okay, so the bond order is also same, student. So because these molecules are isoelectronic with CO molecule, so therefore here the bond order is equal to 3 and magnetic property is also diamagnetic in nature. Clear, student? So CO molecule, Cn minus molecule, NO plus molecule. So these three are heterodiatomic molecules. These three molecules possess the same bond order and same magnetic property. So the bond order in three molecules is 3 and the magnetic property is diamagnetic in nature. Clear, student? So then, so we will move to the another heterodiatomic molecule. So that is NO molecule we will see. Okay, so NO molecule. Clear, student? So NO molecule is a 15 electron system. NO molecule is a 15 electron system. That is very, very important. So example, NO molecule. So nitrogen atomic number 7 and oxygen atomic number 8. So the valency electrons in NO molecule, valency electrons in NO molecule, valency electrons in NO molecule. So valency electrons in NO molecule, so 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11. So the valency electrons in NO molecule is 11 electron system. So before the example CO Cn minus NO plus, the valency electrons is equal to 10 only. But here, so in this case the 1 electron is increases. So these 1 electron is placed into the anti-bonding molecular orbital of 2py system. Clear? So here I will change the energy order also because it is a 15 electron system means nothing but, student. So it possesses more than 14 electron system. So therefore we need to change the energy order also. Okay, clear? So what is the energy order, student? So up to here, up to 8 electron there is no issue, but here, so the electrons enter into the first in sigma 2px, that is sigma 2px2, then pi 2py, pi 2pz, so pi 2pz 2 and so the next electrons enter into the pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, then sigma star 2px. So here it is a 15 electron system, student. So therefore the next electron enter into the pi star 2py orbital only. Okay, so there is no need to change in 1s and 2s, student. So here, so we would like to change the energy order of pi 2py and pi 2pz. It is a reverse, student. So here you can see, so this is sigma 2px2, student. Then another energy level, that is pi 2py and pi 2pz. So this is pi 2py, pi 2pz. This is sigma 2px. This is sigma 2px. The remaining levels are pi star 2py, pi star 2pz. So this is sigma star 2px. Clear, student? So already these levels are completely filled. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the 15th electron, the 14 electrons are over. The 15th electron is entered into the 15th electron is entered into the pi star 2py, student. So therefore the bond order is reduced. If the electrons are entered into the anti-bonding molecular orbital, so the bond order will be reduces. Okay, so the bond order is reduces from 1 unit. So because the number of anti-bonding electrons increases, the bond order will be decreases. Clear, student? So here 10 minus 5 means nothing but, student, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 means nothing but 2.5. So the bond order of NO molecule is 2.5. So here you can see the magnetic property is changes here. So compared to NO and NO plus. Here the one electron. So look at the highest molecular orbital. So here that is pi star 2py. So one unpaired electron is present in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So therefore here, so NO molecule exhibit paramagnetic property. NO molecule exhibit paramagnetic property. So the bond order is 2.5, the bond order is 5 by 2, and the magnetic property is paramagnetic in nature. Clear, students? So these are the examples of heteronuclear diatomic molecules, and we have one more example, that is HF molecule we will discuss. Clear, student? So this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. It becomes it is 2p4, but here 1s2, 2s2, it is 2s2, 2p4, student. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 here. So this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So 7 plus 8, that is equal to 15 electron system. So this, and also it is it possesses above 14 electron rule system. So therefore the electrons enter into the sigma 2px first, then the next electron enter into the pi orbital, pi 2py and pi 2pz orbital. So please remember, but before, in the case of Cn minus, NO plus and CO molecule, the 2p electrons enter into the pi 2py and pi 2pz, then enter into the sigma 2px level. Okay, clear? So this is the examples of CO, Cn minus, NO plus and NO molecule. Clear? Then we will move to the last example of